The simulation platform can be used to model compressors. Here we drag the compressor block into the workspace. Now we are going to do data fitting for our compressor model. First, we need to enter in our experimental data. After this data is entered, we can plot the data to check if it makes sense. For example, we can plot mass flow and power. This data does make sense. And next, we are going to do data fitting. These are the fitting results. Next, we are going to check the fitting error. We're going to plot the fitting error for mass flow and power. All of these errors are less than 1%. Now we can save our work into a file. Now we are going to go back to the experimental data. Here we are going to use the data in the highlighted row to confirm the accuracy of the simulation model. You can enter the compressor suction and discharge conditions. Now the simulation is done. Our mass flow rate from the simulation matches our experimental data. Our simulated power also matches our experimental data.